After much demand, Sphere Drones are now offering our clients comprehensive custom drone branding. Beyond simply printing decals with your logo, we will design and apply decal sets to meet our stringent asset and registration requirements. The custom drone branding includes bespoke serial numbers for easy identification across your field UAV equipment and for the drones themselves, as well as batteries, chargers and even carry cases. Managing, tracking and identifying your equipment has just become very, very easy. Our process is simple. First, submit us to your inquiry. We will make a recommendation on your fleet needs and will provide you a quote and timeframe. Upon acceptance of quotes and timeframes, simply send us your brand guidelines, high-res logo, corporate fonts, so the design process can begin and the UAV equipment database can be created. We will create and send you PDFs for your approval, and once these artwork PDFs are approved, we will merge the UAV equipment database and the artwork together, allowing Sphere Drones to print and apply the custom drone branding to your fleet prior to dispatching the equipment. We make the process simple, so book in your consultation with Sphere Drones today.